All right, so it's been a pretty rough start for 2021 in the wholesale world. We've had rates going all over the place. This integration of a new mortgage loan application has had a lot of back-end problems and operations and things. And then on March 5th on Facebook, President CEO Mat Ishbia basically drew a line in the sand as far as President CEO United Wholesale, as I mentioned, basically said you can work with us or you can work with Rocket Pro TPO / Quicken Mortgage, whatever you want to call it. If you're going to work with us, you can't work with them anymore. Just so you know, like on a grand scale, what this is like, it's kind of like if you walked into a Target and they looked at your financial statements or your bank statements and they're like, oh, you shop at Walmart? Get out. There's no way you're shopping here. Or Pepsi saying Coke. You drink Coke, you can't drink Pepsi anymore. McDonald's, you go to Burger King, F you, no Big Mac for you. You know, it's kind of like that on a bigger scale. Now, why would he do this? There are reasons, so let's talk about them. So United Wholesale Mortgage, why would they do this? Well, first of all, they are the number one wholesaler for the last 6 years, and they only do wholesale loans. You cannot call them like you can Rocket Mortgage and say, I need a loan. They only work with brokers. And so they're very much supportive of the broker channel. Mat Ishbia, once United Wholesale went public, according to Bloomberg, they say he's projected to be the 51st richest person in the United States, which is pretty amazing. So good for you. But he also is a big part of this organization, what's becoming an organization now, the Association of Independent Mortgage Experts, and it's a pretty cool group, and it really caught my eye in 2018 and helped me move back to the broker channel. So they have a big voice in our world, definitely, probably the biggest voice. Basically, there's a channel of Rocket Homes that's trying to hire realtors, and they pay them 50 bips on their loans. They basically convert realtors into what we call double dippers, people who close real estate loans and properties, right? And basically, if you send your realtor, you have a buyer, you get your loan through Quicken, you get your commission, and you get 50 bips. Major RESPA violation. Rocket Homes has this other thing I'll add to this too, that where they can buy leads from Quicken, and there is a lawsuit in Miami about that. So they're doing something, right? And we know that Quicken Rocket, they care about doing more loans. Come hell or high water, it doesn't matter who, where, what, when, right? They've got their own title company. They've got a deal with State Farm. They've got a deal with Schwab. They've got a deal with the NFL. So it's no secret that they're just, trying to consume all loans at all times, including the broker channel. So on the flip side of this argument is the argument, as I heard on the National Real Estate Post, I like the way they put it, one man just gave the entire broker community less options, which means they gave the entire broker community's clients fewer options. Second, mortgage, people in general don't really like being told what to do, but I guarantee you every independent mortgage broker out there has their shop because they don't want to be told what to do. Most of us have probably been through retail and don't like being told what to do, or else they're just the original brokers that have been through it all. Either way, we didn't get into this business so people could tell us where to submit loans, and I think that's a big issue. Plus, it's just like the concept of free enterprise is kind of being lost here with this move. Third thing is, when does it end, right? What about Caliber Home Loans? They have retail. They have wholesale. They have loan officers in the street competing with wholesale brokers. What about Flagstar? Similar thing in many parts of the country, not in the Bay Area. What about Keller Williams, Keller Mortgage? They have, these relationships. So, there's a lot of people gunning for the mortgage broker and trying to crush us. And it's a lot of our realtor partners companies as well. So there's a huge gray area there, if you ask me. And I'll tell you this. You know who wins in this move? It's not UWM, definitely not Rocket, not the mortgage broker, not the consumer. It's these guys right here. These are all the other mortgage banks that aren't UWM and Quicken, because all these guys are getting phone calls right now seeing what's going on. And so that's the only winners in this decision are these guys right here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Garrick Wordmuller, Fresh Home Loan, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people.